What's up, everybody? Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It's 9:15 at night and we're taking delivery, well, customers taking delivery of a couple pretty sweet KRX 1000's. We've installed a bunch of accessories on them. What's up? So huge shout out to my crew here at Big Pine Sports for pulling this off. It's been a fun, crazy day, but we got it done. We did all the light bars. We did winches, we did street legal kits, we did backup lighting. Oh yeah, we did sound systems, the cargo box, bumpers, backup cameras, all the cool stuff, you guys. Dome light in the mirror, anything you want, we got it. You want a KRX? Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Any part, any accessory, we got it. We ship all over the US, anywhere you need it. 8-inch K-Glow up front, signature swoop. Oh yeah, want to see the K-Glow function? That's the K-Glow right there. Gotta love it. Huge shout out to Joel. You're live, dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're out of here. You guys have a great night, everybody.
Hey, I'll say one thing.
All right.
Service and personnel, second to none.
Thanks, Joel. So for like 10 years, I've tried to get him on camera. A miracle just took place, everybody. Anyways, hope y'all are doing well. These guys are gonna head out on the desert. They're gonna go have some fun. And we appreciate their business. Where do you get it? Big Pine Sports. Have a great night, everybody.